is in self-incompatibility, why does self-pollination lead to seed formation in self-incompatible species? Okay, read this question carefully. What is self-incompatibility? So the answer to that question is self-incompatibility or self-sterility is a genetic mechanism to prevent self-pollination despite occurrence of fully viable pollen grain mechanism which prevents pollination. So the flower will produce pollens as well as ovaries, but they will not self-pollinate. And these genes for self-incompatibility are called S genes. This is important, students. Note that these genes are present. If S gene is present in a specific flower, they are self-sterile or self-incompatibility. If a similar S allele is present in both the pollen grains as well as the ovule, for example S1, and the stigma, that is S1, S2, the pollen grain does not form functional pollen tube carrying the male gametes to the ovule. So, how pollination occurs is a pollen grain will come and sit on the top of the style. Now, that pollen grain needs to form a pollen tube to go and fertilize the egg inside the ovary. But because of the presence of S1 and S2 gene, the pollen tube will not form and thus it will not self-pollinate or self-fertilize the flower. Okay students, so this is your answer number 9.